How to use automatic dubbing. Automatic dubbing creates translated audio tracks in different languages to help viewers around the world understand your videos. Videos containing these audio tracks are labeled automatically dubbed in the video description. Viewers can switch to the original audio track or to another available language at any time in the video settings. The automatic dubbing feature is not yet available to all content creators and can only be managed in the YouTube Studio on a computer. This feature is enabled automatically. When a new video is uploaded, dubbing files will be created and published automatically for non-experimental languages. Note: automatic dubbing helps viewers worldwide understand the information, even though not all videos can be dubbed successfully or accurately. Currently, the tone and emotions of the original voice are not conveyed in the translated audio, so the feature works best with content that does not rely on expression. Automatic dubbing can contain errors due to accents, dialects, background noise, or verbal errors in the original video. There may also be challenges in translating proper names, idiomatic expressions, and specialized terms. Other issues may arise with the speech recognition feature, such as a mismatch between the audio used in dubbing and the original audio. You can review the dubbing before publishing, or enlist someone who speaks the target language to review it. As part of our ongoing efforts to provide automatic dubbing in additional languages, you can benefit from it before it is rolled out in languages considered experimental. Automatic dubbing is available for videos in English and is dubbed into the following languages, as well as for videos in the following languages, which are dubbed into English: French, German, Hindi, Indonesian, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish. How to disable automatic dubbing on your channel. The automatic dubbing feature is enabled by default, and you can disable it at any time. 1. Sign in to YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Settings, then Upload Defaults, and then Advanced Settings. 3. Uncheck the box Allow automatic dubbing. 4. Click Save. Enabling automatic dubbing on your channel. If you have previously disabled automatic dubbing, you can re-enable it on your channel. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Settings, then Upload Defaults, and then Advanced Settings. 3. Check the box Allow automatic dubbing. 4. If you want to review the dubbing before publishing, check the box Review dubbing manually before publishing. 5. Choose to review dubbing in all languages or review dubbing in experimental languages only. 6. Click Save. Managing automatic dubbing for a specific video. Enabling the Review dubbing before publishing feature. If the automatic dubbing feature is enabled on your channel and you want to review or not publish the dubbing for a specific video, you can enable this option during the upload. 1. Sign in to YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. In the top left corner of the screen, click on Create, then Upload Videos. 3. Select the file you want to upload. 4. Click Show More. 5. Under Automatic Dubbing, enable Review dubbing manually before publishing. 6. Continue uploading your video. To preview, publish, unpublish, or delete the automatic dubbing, enable the Review dubbing before publishing option in the channel settings or for a specific video by following the instructions above. Previewing the dubbing. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Content, and then select the video for which you want to manage the dubbing. 3. Click on Languages. 4. In the Language column, click on the desired language. 5. In the preview list under the video, select the desired language. 6. Play the video. Publishing the dubbing. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Content, and then select the video for which you want to manage the dubbing. 3. Click on Languages. 4. Hover over the desired language, then click on the icon in the audio column. 5. Click Publish. Unpublishing the dubbing. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Content, and then select the video for which you want to manage the dubbing. 3. Click on Languages. 4. Hover over the desired language, then click on the icon in the audio column. 5. Click Unpublish. When you unpublish the dubbing, you can choose to republish or delete it later. Deleting the dubbing. 1. Sign into YouTube Studio on your computer. 2. Click on Content, and then select the video for which you want to manage the dubbing. 3. Click on Languages. 4. Hover over the desired language, then click on the icon in the audio column. 5. Click Delete. Once the dubbing is deleted, it will no longer be available, and you won't be able to republish it.